Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn a password validation in ReactJS, and this is my React project and this is app.js file. So this is my live server. A strong password, there are some conditions to be satisfied. So first one is must contain a uppercase letter, and as well as lowercase letter. So a password must have a uppercase letter, at least one uppercase and at least one lowercase letter, and password must have one numeric value, must have one number, at least one number, and our password should more than 6 characters. Must length uh, Password length is more than 6 characters. So these are the conditions to be satisfied for a strong and valid password. So firstly, let's let's take use state hook for holding our password. Use state. I'll take empty string. Let's pass our pass value password, and let's make on change event. This will trigger on every change in password. Dot target dot value. So let's log our password. So let's check our password. Go to console and let's clear all the errors. Say hello. It is successfully logging. So let's validate uh, uppercase and lowercase. Let's remove code. If my password should have one uppercase, let's say A to Z, one letter must be included from capitals A to Z, and if it is failed to satisfy, test our password. On this condition checks our password whether a one uppercase letter is included or not. So if it is failed to include, let's take an array. Let For storing our errors, let's take an empty array. If it is failed to satisfy first condition, that is uppercase, so I'm pushing an error to the errors array. Must have uppercase. So our next condition is check for lowercase letter. Okay, if this time check small a to z dot test our password. So this condition checks for lowercase letter in our password. Okay, if it is failed to check for lower condition, then errors dot push lowercase letter. Okay, must have lowercase, must have lowercase letter. So our another condition is check for number. Let's check uh, for number. Dot text password. So this condition checks for numeric value in our password. So if it is failed to check numeric value, let's push an error to our errors array. Must have one numeric. So next we have to check for length of the password. Password dot, password dot length is less than or equal to 6. Errors errors dot push password must more than 6 characters. Okay, so I given all the conditions for uppercase and lowercase and numeric value and length of the password. So now we have to map our errors array. Let's take one div tag and let I'm mapping my errors array. Errors dot map error, and let's take b tag and pass our error. Go to main tag live server and you can see all our errors. So this should be all errors should be display if my length of the password is greater than 1. Password dot length is greater than 0 only, otherwise I should display an empty. So let's enter our password. Hello. So hello should not have an uppercase letter, and it should not have numeric value, and it should not more than 6 characters. So if I include small o with capital O, and you can see and error uppercase letter required is disabled. There are only two errors, must have one numeric value and it should be more than 6 characters. I'm taking one. So you can see must have numeric value. If I include numeric value, so my numeric value error is disabled. So let's give some style to our error, changing my text color to red. Okay, let's remove. Okay, hello, and you can see must have one uppercase letter, must have one numeric value, and it is less than 6 characters. So if hello, so hello have uppercase and lowercase letters. So there is no error for uppercase and lowercase, and it should have one numeric value, and it is more than six characters. So hello one, you can see only one error, six characters is required. So I'm passing to. So this is correct. It is this hello 1 2 satisfies all the conditions given in our code. So this is how you can validate password in React.js.